In building smart factories, edge computing is an important supplement to cloud computing. It can realize the analysis, processing, and storage of data at the edge of the network. Nowadays, traditional PLC controllers don't fit high processing and other advanced project requirements. That's why we would like to bring your attention to our KGEC edge controller solution. KGEC-6301 edge controller integrates PLC control technology, PC information technology, motion control, I/O data acquisition, and other functions. It is most suitable for applications related to CNC equipment as well as machine vision. 6301 equipped with Intel i220AT and supports real-time Ethernet protocols. KGEC support Windows real-time operating systems like RTX, InTime, EasyWin, as well as open-source systems as Ubuntu Preempt RT. The real-time system also supports third-party motion control development platforms such as Codesys, which reduces the difficulty of design and shortens the time for product development. For various CNC machines, the HMI connectivity is not the same. KGEC-6301 is equipped with DVI-I plus DP display interface, and the display signal can be transmitted up to 30 meters without attenuation, which is very useful as it can adapt to various requirements of different CNC products. There are 4 i220AT PoE interface and 16-bit DIO. It allows network cable to carry electrical power to power devices such as IP cameras. With PoE enabled, only network connection is required, which can be an ideal solution for visual guidance. The system has adopted an intelligent cooling design. Embedded with intelligent temperature control fan, it is silent and dust-proof. Controller supports both wall mount and in-rail installation methods. It meets all the necessary requirements for installations on the CNC machine cabinet. Product design is truly great and engineered to achieve the best reliability with maximum convenience. In case you wonder on the use and configuration of pulse signal motion control cards, the answer is yes. You can add an expansion module equipped with one PCIe X4 slot, two 30-bit PCIe slots which can support motion control cards. The expansion module and the host are easily disassembled, and the number of expansion is flexible. 6301 is one of the most compact products on the market. Major part is barely the size of a hand, which makes it suitable to be installed in limited space environments. In KGEC family, we currently have 3 models: KGEC 6301, 6300, and 6310, to meet the market needs of high-end to low-end automation products. Thank you for watching. For more information about JHC products and services, please contact our marketing and sales team. We are always grateful for your feedback and looking forward to share more product videos with you very soon.